Hi everyone, this is Melba Menezes welcoming you to Goan Food Court. Today I am preparing a dish that is truly influenced by the Portuguese on Goans. Sorpotel, a lengthy process but the outcome is truly wonderful. So let's prepare and enjoy the beautiful outcome. To prepare sorpotel, I have taken 1 kg pork which includes meat and offals. Into this I am going to add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 cups of water. Next, close the lid and parboil meat and offals. I have parboiled this for almost 30 minutes. Next, I am going to cut it into small cubes. So first I am going to cut meat and keep in separate bowl. The water which is left after parboiling meat and offals, I am going to use it later on for preparation. Next step, I am going to saute meat and offals. Take a pan or a flat kadai. Once kadai is nice and hot, add pork meat with fat. Keep the flame medium to low. This meat fat cubes will release enough fat which will help in frying. Once done, transfer it into another container. Next, fry remaining offals. As you can see, there is enough fat and there is actually no need to add any vegetable oil. See that you do not over fry. The remaining fat I am going to use it to fry onions. So now let's prepare the masala. For the masala I have taken half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 cup vinegar, 15 dried red chilies, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 5 peppercorns, 12 cloves, 10 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. All these ingredients I am going to put into the mixie and grind it into a fine smooth paste. Add required vinegar to grind into a smooth paste, and when grinding I will use remaining vinegar, and if required you can also use little water. Our masala is ready. Next, heat the vessel. Once vessel is hot, add the fat that remain after frying meat and offals. If there is no enough fat remaining, then you can also use any vegetable oil. Once it is nice and hot, add finely cut 2 large onions. Saute well. Add 1 slit green chili and continue frying. Once onions are done, add ground masala, saute well. I have added little more vinegar to remove spice which is stuck to the mixie. Also goes in it. Fry the masala well. Next, I'm adding fried meat and offals. To give gravy to the sorpotel, I'm going to add the remaining water left after boiling meat and offals. Next, I'm going to add tamarind juice. Add 2 pieces of palm jaggery. Next, also add half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon vinegar. You can adjust accordingly. Add 2 teaspoons sugar. You can add more or less according to your preference. And if required, you can also add little water. Close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Switch off the flame. Our pork sorpotel is ready.
Sorpotel tastes better 3 days after preparation. You can serve this dish with chapati or bread or sannas, one of my favorite. Do share and subscribe to Goan Food Court for lots more such recipes. Till then, be active, stay healthy.